What's up guys, it's me again, Junji Extreme. So it's really good to be back guys. Yes, marami nagtatanong kung okay pa ba si Junji Extreme. Tanong kayo, nasaan ba si Junji Extreme, bakit hindi siya nakapag-vlog. Nandito pa rin ako guys, buhay pa rin, still got that gains. So really off season tayo and enjoy talaga natin yung holiday season ngayon. Ginagawa talaga natin yun, maghapon, Netflix, gym, kain, tulog, ganun. And then syempre yung mga clients. So yun ang pinaka-focus ngayon is syempre yung mga clients natin. And by the way guys, if gusto nyo mag-apply sa online coaching, just give me guys on my Facebook page and shoutout sa mga clients natin dyan. Shoutout rin sa Waking, always there nakasupport sa atin. So still grinding pa rin tayo guys. Workout pa rin tayo sa G-Extreme. Nag-workout pa rin tayo sa G-Extreme. And ngayon guys, holiday season. So medyo konti yung nag-gym kasi nga nagsiuwian na yung mga estudyante. Medyo maraming cheat meals talaga ngayon, expected na yan. Kaya maganda talaga bulking season yung yung December. Pero thing is guys, no excuses yan lalo sa mga nagda-diet. If you really had that goal, if you really want to get that shredded, so much better to get disciplined. So one tip guys sa mga nagda-diet ngayon, choose yung mga best foods na high in protein and then maganda para sa muscle, yung beef, chicken, or yung fish. Then control lang sa pagkain, di ba? Control lang, hindi yung masyadong marami. Ang sinasabi ko sa mga clients ngayon na nagda-diet, pwede kayo kumain, pwede kayo tumikim, pero make sure na mataas yan sa sa protein. Then control lang. Basta pasok lang sa calories na rin sa macros. So, yun lang. Yun yung number one tip ko sa mga nagda-diet. Pero sa mga nagbo-bulking, sige go. Enjoy nyo muna ngayong holiday season. So, pero back to pag January, back to grind na ulit yan. Sunugan ulit ng mga kinain ngayong holiday season. And then, may namin nagtatanong, is alcohol good? Masama naman talaga yung alcohol kahit hindi kayo nag-workout. Pag sobrang rami yung iniinom nyo. So, one tip ko lang dyan sa mga nag-workout, nag-gym, control, everything, control talaga. Drink moderately lang and with discipline pa rin. Nakakamiss guys, and actually kinabahan ako sa camera natin ngayon. Kala ko kasi hindi na siya gumagana kasi hindi na siya na-on. Pero good thing guys, na-on pa rin siya. Wala lang paling battery. Kaya chinarge natin yung battery and nandito pa yung isang battery. Chinarge rin natin para mamaya sa vlog natin. So syempre mag-workout tayo, nakakamiss mag-vlog eh. And then by the way guys, comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo sa bagong gupit natin. So ito yung tinatawag nating buzz cut. Pero medyo umaba na siya guys eh. Kasi almost 2 weeks na rin ito yung buhok natin. So, hindi ito yung bagong buhok. So, December look, kalbo. Kalbo muna tayo ngayon. Pero, so far. Pero, magtatanong kayo kung ano ba yung kinakain ni Junji Extreme ngayon. Is he doing like clean bulking? So, ang ginagawa natin ngayon is dirty bulk. Karamihan ng bodybuilders ngayon. Dirty bulk, holiday season. Pagka-January, start na tayo ng lean bulk ulit. Diba? So, para quality gains. And, nag-off muna tayo talaga ngayon. So, alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin ng off. Diba? So, still, cleanse, naglilinis tayo. And by the way guys, meron akong i-introduce sa inyo. Akala natin sa Waking, yung makuha lang natin sila or yung mga choices lang natin doon is yung whey protein, pre-workout. Pero actually guys, meron rin silang mga organ supports which is really great. Sa katulad natin nag-cleansing. And then, syempre, importante rin to guys para malinis rin yung loob natin. Hindi lang pwede maganda sa labas, pero madumi sa loob. So, kailangan rin natin mga organ supports. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon from Waking, syempre. Packaging pa lang is very quality and it's from Finaflex. Isa sa pinaka-paborito kong brand ng whey protein, sobrang quality. Pati yung pre-workouts nila, sobrang sarap. And then syempre, for quality organ support, milk thistle, ultimate pure milk thistle from Finaflex. Yan guys. Pwede nyo yan makuha sa Waking. One and only Waking #1 supplement dito sa Pilipinas. Again, shoutout sa Waking and shoutout kay Sir Nigel. So yan. Ito yung ginagamit natin every after breakfast, yung intake natin. Kahit isang capsule lang nito, okay na. So before tayo mag-gym, yung off-season, pinaka-workout meal pre-workout meal natin is yung protein blend natin, yung protein shake natin. So meron tayong like 2 scoops ng whey, then 60 grams of oats, then I think sana may peanut butter pa tayo para yung gamitin natin. Pero kung wala, okay lang yun. So para may energy din tayo and may laman yung tiyan natin before mag-workout. So, supplement. Tingnan nyo naman supplement natin. All of that from Waking. Yan. So, ito yung whey protein natin. Kaya sobrang sarap. I really recommend this. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Not too sweet. And sakto-sakto lang. Hindi nyo ito yung milk thistle natin kanina. And I have this creatine, which is good. Then, meron tayong fat burner. Pero hindi pa natin ito ginagamit. Hindi pa naman tayo masyado cut. Then meron tayong pre-workout, hemorrhage. So guys, stretching, chest workout. So recommended ko is stretching, kahit simple stretching lang, simple rotation, basta dynamic siyang stretching para iwas injury. So chest, really special, dumbbells, then yeah, let's go.
I don't know if I'm changing over. In the moonlight I can't kill this feeling sober. So I start to come alive. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see. Wait for me. I don't wanna die inside my reality. Wait for me.
So pinamamadali tayo ni Miss Extreme. 10 seconds rest. Hindi, makakapagod. Sa shoulder kaya ko yung yung short rest, pero yung chest lalo na pag medyo heavy. So, always 30 to 45 seconds. Okay na yung na rest time. Pump, pump.
That we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me. With our back against the wall, just feed the beast and you'll see.
The boy in the house. Who's in the house? Nah. Yeah, G Extreme Gold. G Extreme Gold version. Ding ding.
Ding ding.